Alignment of values and ethics at the workplace does not happen in isolation. So if I work backward from behavior, which is the outward demonstration of an inherently held belief or an inherently held value, I can keep working backward, and it would be like peeling an onion. It's multi-layered. So from behavior we go back to beliefs, we go back to values, and we go back to our understanding of what is it that I am required to do. I think it's important for all of these to flow from organizational purpose, because people can go wrong. There isn't someone who remains strong 365 days, to the nth degree, while of course role models are very important, and it's important that leadership does take upon itself the responsibility of role modeling. There may be a time or two when there is a minor slippage, because that kind of a human error, I'm not talking of something which goes against the core of integrity, but sometimes there is scope for human error in decision making and in the way it's perceived in the larger organization. So, role modeling is important. Having the right kind of leadership is important. Making sure that processes and systems are in place for good governance is important. But above all, demonstrated behavior, repeated behavior can only flow when we resonate to a higher purpose, and that's something that I've held throughout when I work with organizations to build culture and to sustain culture.